sorry. I am so sorry. We are mad super late. I wasn't going to do the show today. We had some terrible storms that came through and knocked out the power, but we're back up and running now. I ain't gonna lie though, I've been in the lab all day. I am absolutely exhausted, not feeling so hot too. So we're gonna make this like super quick. My apologies, but hey, something's better than nothing, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do we're gonna do some. All right, we're gonna go ahead and knock a few of these really important ones out, and then we're just gonna go ahead and wrap it up. If y'all don't mind, I'm wore out. Like I said, I started not to even do it, but I was like, no, the people need me. They need these pulse waves in their lives. They have to have the power flags. They got to know what the algo charts are saying. You can't just do the people like that, Dex. You got to take care of the family. You have responsibilities. These are your children. So that's why I'm here. And if you don't know what it is, this is the end of day report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price triggers report that we put in your hand each and every trading day. All right, man. Y'all know I've been running and gunning, but I've been in the lab too. The storms didn't really help things out. I had to restart and reconfigure some things, and now that I've done that, here we are. But like I said, it's gonna have to be real fast, all right? Because I'm about to pass out. All right. First and foremost, let's go ahead and get it cracking, and then I'm out of here. And I need a good night's sleep so I can be strong and ready for tomorrow's pre-market pulse scan. Heads up though, tomorrow's pre-market pulse scan will be caught short. I'll have to break out around 9:30. All right, because I have to be somewhere, so gotta handle that too. I got a lot going on over here, man, but you guys are gonna be all right. All right, so if you don't know already, the reports are out. They were out late today. Sorry about that, but they are out. Had to work on a few things with the algo sets because we're getting real close now to launching the new additional cryptos. So I've been working a lot day and night on adding these new. Okay, so let's go ahead and knock these out, and then I'll take a couple requests, just a couple, and then we're out. All right, first and foremost, this is ZRX on the crypto side. Now, as you know, we had that rally alert coming into today. We got that narrow range inside day, and this counts as day one. We still got 4 more days left until this thing either breaks out or we get a signal saying that it's about to break down. All right, next we got the Ripple. Ripple is starting to give us production, upside production. The target is the top of the Kumo cloud here. So the trade is still on the long side for Ripple. Moving right along, we got Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin is giving us nice production. We're now reaching that secondary target of the top of the Kumo cloud. We might do the squeeze 45.50 out of this, but if you are still long the Litecoin from the rally alert, please pop your way through this, lock in some profit. Don't turn a winning trade into a losing trade. We don't know how much more further it can go. According to the algo chart here, is suggesting that it has the possibility to go higher. Just pop your way through it. All right, next on here we got Ethereum. Ethereum still giving it up. All right, we had a little bit of a pullback here, right? So we're still trading on the long side of the market. I think this one still has potential to go even higher. Maybe 315 is the next stop. Next on the table, we got the mighty Bitcoin. Bitcoin giving us upside production. Nice. All right. Those of you who've been following the rally alert, okay, start popping your way through this one. Try to lock in a little bit of profit in case it pulls back and runs out of steam. If not, it looks like the secondary target. Actually, no, we're still actually, yeah, this is the initial target was like around the 95 handle. Our secondary target is like closer to 10,000. All right, we may be able to get up to 99 or even 98. So I'll just say 98 to be on the safe side. 98 is our next target, upside target on Bitcoin. All right, here's ABC. This is Bitcoin Cash. We're continually getting nice production here. The next target is the Kumo cloud here, right beyond the 245 handle. So it looks like we still have more upside potential here on ABC. All right, the next one we have here is ADA Cardano. All right, it looks like the market is trying to give us some production from this rally alert. I think we can still hit that 130 mark right here. So we still got more upside potential here on this one too. And who knows, maybe it will take off like a rocket. But if it starts slowing down, because technically speaking, we are in what is called a corrective state right now, it can go either way. It can go either way. I'm thinking though that the next leg the foundations are being built for the next leg up. All right, so that would put us way up. The way you count it is from here to here plus here. So that will put us way up here. All right, so be patient. Still hadn't gotten any production yet, but it looks like it could be heading that way. So eyes and ears open, follow the reports closely. All right, the US dollar index, as you can see, I warned you, I told you that another leg down was coming. This is the beginning of that leg. All right, the next leg down, all things being considered, should extend even a little further, probably getting to right below 94.50, maybe even the high 93 zone. Okay, looking mad weak on your US dollar. Okay, here is the Australian. I'm sorry, I said Australian. The South African Rand. All right, look, what did I say? What did I say about the double bottom? What did I say? Look, we got it. We got it. Rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The trend line resistance up here is our initial target. And I think we will most likely hit that target. All right, so double bottom, market's ready to rally. This is still a bull market. So market is ready to put in that work. And technically speaking, we should get way back up here to the old highs. But one step at a time. First stop, trend line resistance. Next stop, top of the Kumo cloud. Then from there, the next target is there. So we still got some work to be done. And right now we're waiting for that production. So rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The double bottom, as I predicted, is exactly what just took place today. All right, taking a look now at the New Zealand dollar, looking at the Kiwi, still getting upside production from the rally alert right here. Still getting that work. All right, still putting in that work. All right, next we got the nat gas. Okay, so looking at the nat gas futures, we got a little bit of production. I think more is coming. The trend line resistance is still our initial target, and I think we should be able to hit that. All right, moving forward, we got the Mexican peso. All right, you can see that it's still operating under the auspices of the rally alert with pullbacks being bid. I think it's going to just keep playing around here and get back up toward the trend line resistance, and then we'll see where it goes from there. Okay, the next one here is the dollar yen. All right, the dollar yen still trading sideways, operating under the auspices of the crash alert. And it is, now we haven't seen one of these in a long time. This is that rare situation I've been telling you about, where the indicator can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. This one has exceeded that now. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're 8 days in, and no production and no new signal. All right, so this is that rare anomaly that can happen. It does not happen often. You normally get your production within 3 to 5 trading days. In this situation, you're getting nothing. All right, total consolidation below the Kumo cloud. Interesting chart. Who knows? It's like up, down, up, down, up, down. Look at that. Up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what you're getting. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Just back and forth going nowhere. That pattern needs to be broken before we can figure out where this one wants to go. All right, the next chart here is the pound sterling still getting good topside production from the rally alert. And we're getting near that resistance point. We'll see if the market can punch through it. If it doesn't, you're going to be called the double top. Market will drop and come back down to old support. Phew, excuse me. Phew. Okay. So that's where we are on that one. Now looking so hot at the moment, but we're getting there. So either it's going to come in here and test us and win, or start rolling over. All right, the next one is the euro yen. Still getting top side production from the original rally alerts. Needs to punch through though on a close. All right, if we don't, then this is going to be called a double top, and then we drop there too. Okay, the euro dollar. Euro dollar is already exceeded pretty much all expectations, and I do believe that 116.50 is probably going to be the next stop for this one. All right, the next one here is the Canadian dollar. It's really been just chopping around here, looking like it's going to come down here and test its bottom too. Is it going to put in a double bottom and rally? We shall see. It's looking like it may have the potential to do so. So right now the trade is on the downside, but we're going to see what's going on. We don't know yet. May double bottom. We'll see. All right, here's your Australian dollar getting upside push from the original rally alert, being helped out by gold. So we should continue to see upside potential there too. All right, looking at the Dow futures, we're consolidating now as the market is getting a little exhausted up here, a little top heavy. We could drop at any moment, or we could get one more quick push, fail, and drop. I anticipate that we will probably push higher, test the 27.5 level, and then drop like this. So I see this coming from here. We shall see. Wheat futures. Rally alert got nice production today. All right. And I think we may still go yet a little bit higher. Maybe start stalling out around the 545 level before dropping again. We'll see. But right now, the play is to the long side. All right, take a look at soybeans. Interesting chart here. We got that downside production from the crash alert. Secondary crash alert didn't give us any production. The market just turned on a dime, but it's starting to get exhausted up here and looking like it wants to drop back down again. So this one here, I have to say, is looking like it wants to drop and retest the trend line support. All right. Looking at corn. Corn has a rally alert. All right. So I think we could get up to at least the 350 zone as an initial target, and then we'll see where it goes from there. All right. Silver futures. As you can see here, you got a lot of production off of these rally alerts back here, and the market keeps right on going. Let's see if we can get to 24 now. You made 23.30. Looks like 24 is a good secondary rational target. Let's see what happens. Taking a look at the Russell My Hustle. Again, looking heavy up here. I think this chart pattern is about to play out as this one tries to test 1500. May even get as high as maybe 1550, maybe. But I think we're starting to get close. I'll give it 1525, and we'll see where we can go from there. All right, take a look at the Russell. I'm sorry, I just said Russell. Crude oil. We got a rally alert here, secondary rally alert with no production just yet. The play is to the long side now. I think it wants to test 45 in the crude oil. All right, the NASDAQ 100. That crash alert we had coming into today, we have not seen production just yet. We got just a little snippet of it, but I think we got more pullback coming. Then again, this thing has been so crazy, it could just take off like a rocket. So we'll see. This one is still operating under the auspices of a crash alert. So we're just going to go with that and see where the market wants to take us. Gold futures, production off the rally alert right here. All right, I think this has a lot more upside in it to go as well. I think he wants to test 1900. It's hard to believe that we are about to test the all-time highs in gold. Unbelievable. But look what it went through to get here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the wild ride. It has not been a smooth ride. It's been mad volatility all the way. Look, it really got heavy up in here. Got real heavy up in here. Real heavy. Real heavy. You know, during the early stages of the pandemic. It was real wild up there. You know? Not smooth at all. But it's trying though, right? It's trying to make up for it. So right now the play is still to the long side in both silver and gold. Looking at the E-mini S&P 500, all right, stronger than its Dow. I don't see why it can't keep on marching. The chart is wide open here. I think 3,300 is the next target for the upside in the E-mini S&P 500. All right, real quick, I will take a couple requests, and then that's it. I am wore out. Let's see here. I see that. What was that one you had here? VET. Okay, VET. All right, let's look at VET. All right, in the crypto space, VET has a rally alert coming into today. We got a narrow range inside day, so I expect for possible upside breakout tonight into tomorrow. We were only on day one, so we're about to start day two now. As you know, the indicator can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. So this one is still, the play is still to the long side of the market until it isn't. All right, let's see here what y'all got for me. All right, let's see. We'll do a couple of these and then that's it. Because I got to go. But we won't have no pre-market pulse scan tomorrow. Because I will be asleep. All right, let's see here. PLNH. All right. All right, let's see here. Okay, y'all got some more new stuff for me today. All right, I see you. All right. Okay, let's see here. All right. It looks like the mining section should be getting a good shot in the arm from gold and silver right now. Like I said, if your mining stock can't manage to rally in the face of this, I don't know what else to say. Seriously, you should be able to rally off of the precious metal market, getting this upward trajectory. I don't see how you can't. I don't see how you don't. Doesn't make any sense to me, to be quite honest with you. So if you're owning some mining stock that can't move with a rally in the precious metals, I don't know what to tell you. That's like an alcoholic at a bar, and he can't. And no matter how much he drinks, he can't get drunk. you would say there's something seriously wrong for that fella, because he's drinking like a fish and he can't get drunk. But that's the same thing with these mining stocks, not mining stocks. If they can't rally and gold and silver is exploding, then there's something wrong with that company. You know what I mean? So just FYI for you guys on that one. That's something to think about if you're holding something like that. You may want to recheck your priorities on it and see what's wrong. Why isn't it moving? There could be something really wrong with the company, because even though mining stocks are at the end of the day still stocks, it doesn't mean that they get to be suspended from the laws of trading. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what the situation is at the company. If you cannot rally and your underlying precious metal that you mine is rallying, there is a problem. And I know plenty of people that be holding on to stuff that they shouldn't be holding on to. That's opportunity cost, opportunity loss, because you could have put that money to work somewhere else and got a return on your money instead of having it tied up in stocks that are never going to move. Never, ever, ever going to move. So that's just something to think about. I can't make people's decision for them. I can only give you, spit the game to you. It's up to you to catch it. All right, that's it, you guys. All right, so let's knock these last ones out, and this will be it. All right. This here is First Majestic Silver. Ticker is AG. All right, as you can see, it's benefiting along with silver. Just remember, when silver pulls back, it's gonna take your stock down to fill these gaps. So just keep that in mind, okay? So you got gaps to fill, but still got upside potential. All right, the QQQ NASDAQ 100 still looking for that downside production. We got a little taste of it today, but we still got more to come. This was only day one. The trend line support is the initial target in this scenario. All right, looking at Netflix. Netflix right now, we got a lot of downside production from the crash alerts. The trend line support is the initial target, though. So I'm still looking for more downside to come in Netflix. Taking a look at Facebook. Facebook, same story. We had a crash alert coming into the trading day. Got a little bit of downside production, but the trend line support is the actual target. So I think more downside is coming in your Facebook. All right, the next one is Sturm Ruger, and this one had a rally alert coming into today. We got no production. This is just day one. What's going to end up happening is, in this situation, that this market, because this market is now in a situation where it could pull back some more. So I think with the beginning of a bearish weekly trend momentum reading, that'll probably give it another pushback. And I think that's when the pullback will get bid up and you'll see this one start to rally again. But probably not until then. But even still, I'm riding with the alert until we get another one. So right now, it's a watch and wait game. All right, looking at Capital One Financial, the ticker is COF. All right, we came in today with a rally alert. You got that upside production. The market stopped short at the trend line resistance, which is the initial target. Now we're going to the secondary target, which is the top of the Kumo cloud around the $75 handle for this security. Next one that we're looking at now is Alpha Pro Tech. Ticker is APT. All right, you're getting upside production from the rally alerts back here. Still more upside to come. I think the next target on this one should be 25. All right, the next one we got on the list here is Alternative Harvest. The ticker is MJ. And this one is benefiting from that crash alert. We got that downside production, met the trend line support initial target. The now secondary target is around the 12.50 handle, $12.50, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. The next one we have up here is Natural Shrimp. Ticker is SHMP. All right, this one has been profiting from the two back-to-back rally alerts. Okay, and you're getting upside major production. I think the next target is the bottom of the Kumo cloud on this one, so looks like more upside to come. All right, here is GDXJ, again benefiting off of the gold rally. When the pullback comes, expect these two gaps down here to be back and filled before continuing the upside. So the trade is on the long side right now, with bulls ahead of the market and controlling the market. Same thing with GDX. Expect pullbacks to fill these gaps right here. Bulls are in control of this market. I see more upside potential as long as gold continues to rally. The next one is UAVS, Egg Eagle. All right, and this one here has a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. The initial target on this one is around that $3.50 handle, the top of the Kumo cloud. Secondary target is $4 even on this stock. All right, the next one is Global X, Autonomous and Electric Vehicles ETF. Ticker is DRIV. Came into today with a crash alert. I'm expecting the production to get us to the trend line support around $14.50 handle. All right, the next one here is NIO, American Depository Shares, and we got a crash alert for tomorrow's trading. Trend line support around the $8.50 handle is the initial target. All right, the next one here we got is Planet 13 Holdings. All right, you got this rally alert back to back here that the market is benefiting from. Any pullback should come back down here to back and fill the gap, but this one still has upside potential. I think the next target here, all things being equal, this should be at least a $5 stock before this is all said and done, if not even higher than that. All right, last but not least, we have here Tarzanian Gold. The ticker is TRX. Got a rally alert coming into today. You did get upside production today, but I don't think it's done yet. I think this one can get up over $1 before it's all said and done. All right, so there you have it. All right. So with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I am out of here. Peace.